What's up people out there, Arjun here, and today we will talk about essential gears for filmmaker under 100 euros. So stay till at the end of this video, you might be interested. Keep in mind, I'm not being sponsored for everything I'm going to mention in this video. You will still find links for everything in the description. But before we get started, please do me a small favor. Pause this video right now and go hit that big red button down there to support me. It helps the channel to grow and encourage me to make more contents like this. Everything being said, why don't we dive right into the main topic, shall we? So what we got here, this is the ZOOM H1N. I got this on Miss Numérique for like 75 euros, I guess. It's a lightweight and pocket recorder. I use this with a shotgun microphone for when I'm on shooting to record dialogues. I'm using it right now with a lavalier mic to record this video. Let me give you a quick tour of my settings. Here we have the audio button to choose the sample rate, bit depth, and recording format. I have it on 48K and 24-bit, which records in wave. You can go to 96K 24-bit settings if you want to slow down the sound later in editing. Then this is the low cut filter to cut off all low frequencies. I have it on 80 Hz, which is mostly used when recording dialogues because the human voice usually doesn't go down that low. After we have the limiter that I keep turned on all the time, it allows your audio level to stay stable so you won't have that spike which can distort your recording. And finally, I always keep the auto level off so I have the full control on the gain level with the gain knob right up there. Generally, I am between 5 and 7 depending on the situation. Then I have this shotgun microphone from Boya. On a shooting set, this is very important to record dialogues and minimize the surrounding sound the much as possible. It's 38 cm long, it comes with its XLR cable, foam windscreen, 4 windshield, and shock mount. As I said earlier, I use this with the Zoom recorder. What we got next? The Ulanzi RGB light. I have 2 of these actually, and I really love them. It's small and light. It has up to 3 hours of battery life. This is what I am actually using right now on a tripod. This is a minimal setup if you are on a budget. You can change the temperature from cold to warm. It has 20 lights effect to enrich your scene, such as cop car, lightning effect, televisions to simulate a screen in front of you, fall bulb effect for a horror type of scene, and many more. It also comes with a diffuser for a softer light. Then there's the headphone. JBL Tune 660. I recently got this for 100 euros, but you can find it on Amazon for like 60 euros, I think. Of course, when editing, you need a very good headphone which reduces some of the surrounding noises to keep you concentrate on your work. This is not the best headphone on the market, but it gives you a really good sound quality. So if you're on a budget, certainly grab one of these, you won't be disappointed. When you are on shooting, you can plug it to your recorder to monitor the sound, and when you are editing your videos, you can use the Bluetooth mode so you can move around freely. Let's proceed. There is this simple gray card here. It actually comes with black and white cards also. Whenever you're shooting something, it's important to set your white balance. You can have this around your neck, and every time you need to shoot something, just take it out and place it in front of your camera and set your white balance manually. If you can't spend a lot of money in filters, well, I will recommend you this one. This is the circular polarizer filter. It actually allows you to remove unwanted reflection from surfaces like water, glass, and increase the contrast and saturation in blue skies and clouds so you won't have that blown out sky. Yeah, I will highly recommend you this. Just make sure you choose the right diameter for your lens. Oh yes, this one is a really good one. This is a 5-in-1 light reflector. You have a translucent silver, gold, white, and black disc. This can turn a boring and ugly shot into a professional and beautiful shot. Don't miss this out. After, there's this lens cleaning kit that you will always need. I don't know about you guys, but I am living in French Guiana, and I can tell you there is a lot of dust over here. And I don't have air co, so it's always open and dust always comes in. So this cleaning kit is important to keep your lenses clean away from those dust that can damage it. So consider getting these, you won't regret it. Then I have these cheap tripods for like 30 euros that I found in a store. I bought this because I just needed to put my lightweight Ulanzi RGB LED on it. Or you can use it to put your mic on it, I don't know. It will definitely come in use somehow. But I won't recommend you to put your camera on this. I won't take that risk. Finally, here are some small accessories that you should consider having in your collection kit. Like the camera screw, 1 4-inch and 3/8 converter. It can come handy somehow, I guarantee you that. You also have the ball head for camera tripod. Sometimes I use this on this mini tripod and I can rotate whatever I have on it. Then I have these adapter rings for filters. If you don't have the right diameter filter for your lens, well, you can use these. Then I have this Velcro cable ties. My gosh, I think this is the best accessory to have with you. When you carry a lot of cables, this simple thing can save your life. It helps you organize your cables in a better way. So this one you must have. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful to you. Do leave a like, and if you aren't subscribed yet, consider doing that. It means a lot to me. Well, take care, see you another time, and never forget, keep creating. Oh yes, before going away, do check my last video on the GH5 if you haven't seen it yet. It's right here. See you.